start question 3, which says create an equally weighted portfolio of all the assets that have an annualized volatility greater than 1%. And then you're told to exclude 3. So those all have annualized volatility less than 1% or inflation. I was getting it right around 1%. So we took those out. And how I did that was I just clicked on the column and then delete. So there's just 3 of them, but I already got rid of them. All right, so for an equally weighted portfolio, I came over here. Actually, we can put a box around it so you guys can see better. We'll highlight it. Maybe not red. We'll highlight it blue. All right, so average returns over here. And so how you do that is you just do the average function, because by definition, the average function is equally weighted. It's all the numbers divided by n, the number of numbers. So here we have equals average of the entire row. And if you notice, I started all the way at the end of the row and then went one end to one end, B5 to Q5. And the reason I did that instead of just selecting the values is that so we can drag it down. There's the average formula. Oops. And then just dragged all the way down. And so that gives the average. Again, these are not annualized returns because they are by month, but that's okay for our equally weighted portfolio. And so for date, sorry, I don't know why my Excel is acting up a little bit. It's not going away, but it will in just a second. So the next part of question 3 is to plot the equity curve. So just to get the x-axis, I copied the dates from column A, and how I did that was I just did equals A5 and then dragged it down. So this one is in 8, so it equals A8. All right, and then this should be a review from Module 2's homework. So we're gonna pick a value to start with. I just did 1,000 because it's pretty easy. And then, so the formula is, I don't know why the average won't go away, but equals the cell above it times 1 plus the rate. And then we're just going to drag it down all the way down. Oops. And you'll see that that gives the values to work with the, to create the equity curve. And so how we're going to do that is we're just going to select these 2. I guess I could have clicked down to make it go a little faster. All right, so we have that. Then we are going to insert chart, and we're going to do a line chart. There we go. So there is your, we could just write equity curve equally weighted portfolio. All right, so oops, we don't need to format it anymore. That is good. Here we go, and then just kind of put these over here. That's what I did earlier. All right, so that's question number 3.